Welcome back, New Englanders. We headed down to Universal Orlando. If you know us, you know we're a bit of a Disney family, but we really wanted to check out Universal Orlando for the first time, so our first night experience was here at Cabana Bay. Now, the plan for us was to come into Cabana Bay for 2 nights and then move over to Lowe's Royal Pacific. As you can see, we showed up during the season of Christmastide. Really cool lobby, kind of has that vintagey 50s, 60s style. Dropped off our luggage right here in the lobby. A little bit of celebrate the holidays. Came in a little late, so things are pretty quiet here for the most part. There's multiple buildings. We're going to head over to this building to the right, way off in the distance. There is a full tower where they have a view of Volcano Bay.
No, that's actually not cool.
I like chess.
Switch.
I'm done vlogging.
So this is one of the pools.
I gotta hit it too.
Room 310. I don't know where the lights are. Here they are. There we go. Nice little kitchenette. Cool theming. Some scribble on there, but that's not a big deal. Two double beds. Love the vintage alarm clock. One private bathroom.
Locked up, beautiful. TV.
A little walk-in closet.
Mirror.
Vlogging sun. VO5 and Zest. That is classic. Late night, nothing was open, so we're at the Shake Shack. Oh, that's not definitively the name. It says Malt Shop. I didn't have coffee, so I got espresso with hot water. I call it an Americano. So they have essentially all the essentials here in the gift shop. You can get a lot of stuff you can find also in the parks, but it has, again, nice theming, nice cool little 50s style. Now here is the thing. Over on the other side, not the pool near where we were, but the pool over on the other side, there is a lazy river. We love lazy rivers. For the time we were at Cabana Bay, Volcano Bay was completely closed. So that defeated our point of going over there. But we did get to go into the lazy river here at Cabana Bay, which was pretty cool. Volcano Bay has a not lazy river, it's a high-speed river. That was really cool too. But we just wanted to show you real quick here how nice this lazy river is. And if it wasn't December, right after Christmas, this would probably be a lot warmer and a lot more friendly, but you know, we're from Maine, so 50 degrees is warm for us. Finally, here is a little bit of the food court. Sorry we didn't get the views of the different restaurants, but there's a whole bunch of places that you can eat on property. Hope you like this.